Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to EPSEX online support program. Dear students, this is math period and I hope all of you have new syllabus primary mathematics book 2 second edition. The page number of textbooks we will cover today are 120 to 126 and workbook pages from 121 to 126. Chapter number is same 7 length, but the topic is today we are covering comparing lengths. The resources required are laptop, computer or smartphones along with textbook or PDF book. Now, students, you will be able to compare lengths of different objects at the end of this lesson. Thought of the day: teachers open the door, but you must enter yourself. Teachers will give you information, they will teach you, but you have to work hard to retain it. As you know, students, the topic is comparing lengths. So today we will learn how to compare the lengths of different objects. Objective. Students will be able to compare the lengths of different objects and success criteria. Compare the lengths using the terms longer, longest and shorter, shortest. And then you will be able to find the difference when comparing length. First of all, we will do the review of previous lesson. Whatever we have learned in the previous lesson. What is length? The first question over here. Then second question is how many centimeters in 1 meter? Then third question is what does dimension mean? Then name 3 dimensions in which we do the measurement of the objects. Now here are the answers. I hope you remember the answers of these questions. That length is the distance between two endpoints. And how many centimeters in 1 meter? 100 centimeters. And dimension means directions. There are 3 directions. And what are the directions? Length, width, or we call it breadth, and height. I hope everyone is clear. Now, time for mental math activity. Here is the question. How many hundreds are there in 1000? Good. 10 hundreds. Then what is the place value of 8 in 839? Excellent. Hundreds. Now how many tens are there in 100? Very good. 10 tens. The last question. Group or share equally is called what? Very good. Yes, division. Division is the method to group or share the objects or items equally. Now students, our topic is comparing lengths. So over here I want to explain you one thing, or we can say that we recall one thing that you have learned in English also. So you see over here there are 3 snakes. This is a long snake, but this snake is longer than this one. So, if we compare two objects, we often add ER to the word. But there is a third snake which is longest, right? Which is longest. So, when we compare more than two objects, we often add EST to the word. So I hope you have understood the terms long, longer, longest. In the same way we use short, shorter, shortest, right? Okay. Now, can you tell me that which pencil is the largest and which is the smallest? Here are 3 pencils. A is the purple one, B is the green one, C is the blue one. So, how you will arrange them from smallest to largest? Think. Good. Yes. So, here is the answer. A is the shortest, the purple one. C is longer than that, the blue one. And The largest or longest pencil is the green one, that is B. Clear? Okay. Now here are three presents and these presents have different lengths. Now present A, present B and present C. Now we will compare the lengths of these presents. Now see, the first one, present A. When we will start counting, we will not count 3 as 1 because I told you children that from 3 to 4 means from one to another marking, we have small markings in between. So when we start from 3 and we go to 4, it will count as 1, 2, 3. So what is the length of the first present, present A? 3 centimeter. In the same way, now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So present B is 6 centimeter long, right? In the same way, present C, we will count present C in the same way. From 10 to 11 is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So present C is 4 centimeter long. Now can you tell me which is the longest present? Very good. Present number B is the longest present because it is 6 centimeter long. And which is the shortest? Very good. Present A is the shortest because it is 3 centimeter long. I hope everyone has understood how to compare lengths. Now, how to find out the difference? When we compare lengths, we find the difference and difference means to minus, to subtract. Now, over here we have rope A that is 12 centimeter long and rope B that is 8 centimeter long. Now you see that rope B is this much shorter than rope A, or we can say that rope A is this much longer than rope B. But how to find out that how much longer or how much shorter? So over here we have the answer. 12 minus 8 is equals to 4 centimeter. So always remember that when we compare the lengths, we always find the difference. And what is the difference? To find the difference, we always subtract. Okay students, now how to measure the curved objects? Here is a curved line. Can you tell me? Think about it. Okay, let me tell you. This is a rope or you can say it is a string, and you know that rope or string is very easy to bend or to make it straight, right? So to measure the curved objects, we use rope or string. We put the string or rope on the line, the curved line according to its shape, and then we straighten it, and after straightening we put the rope on the scale and then we find out what is the length. I hope you have understood. Now this is the time for recap. Length is the measurement of two endpoints. All of you have understood now. And when we compare the lengths, we find their difference. Means we subtract the numbers. Then you measure a curved object. How? By using a string because it can bend or twist according to the curve. Clear? Your home assignment. Here is the work for home and you will do it neatly, and please take the picture from the front side of the page and use scale where required. Clear? Thank you. Have a blessed day. Always help your mother and be kind to everyone. Allah Hafiz.